extract the hardware pack and 2 pillows out of the inside of the contention of the box 1. So they are hidden inside of the folding area, which is under the loft seat. So right here, once you placed an item, it could be unfolded. So basically works like this. And the hardware pack and the pillows are inside of this area. So once you've done, just push it over, like about 70% up. And the next thing that you will need are these long wheels and these bolts. So this will be our first step during the assembly. So what we need is the top 2 holes, works like this. And these bolts should be screwed right here. So this is how it looks. This is the place for them. They have 3 holes. The one is the spare one, so we only need 2. So basically placing them up and screwing it up. Once we screwed in the front wheels, they should look like this. This is the top one. This is the bottom one. So these are 2 front wheels for your love seat. Then, as the next step, we should proceed to the smaller ones. So we're looking at these bolts and these smaller wheels. They will be attached, one over here, and the other one will be over there, facing it from the bottom. So these will support the back part of your love seat. Once we attach the smaller wheels, this is how it should look like. So there will be 2 at the front, 2 at the back. So at this stage, you're done with the wheels, and we can process to the next step. We may now flip over the first part of the love seat. So pretty easy, should be done like so. And now, after this, we can process to the second part of the love seat. Then we may unpack the second part of the box. It contains the back cushion. Looks like this. This will be the first one. Then there are 2 armrests. Look like so. So this will be the one. This will be the other one. They look like so. Fairly similar. So these are very important parts. This will be our armrests. And this is the backrest. So it looks like so. Here we can unzip. So once we will be screwing in the backrest, the holes are here for the bolts. The next step, we're taking our headrests, and we need to attach the legs at this moment for our future convenience. So the items that we require, these are plastic support legs and the small bolts. So these are placed in the pre-made holes. Even if the hole's not there, the position should be like so, and it goes right here. So this is where you would like to screw it. Once all the 4 support legs are screwed in, should look like so. So 2 on each side of the armrest, and after this we can proceed to the next step. We will need this part and our 2 armrests. We will also need these bolts and the tool to screw it in. So it should be placed like so, and kindly make sure that these hinges are facing upwards. So it should be placed like so. These hinges will be the stoppers for the front wheels of our love seat. Previous step is done. Should look like so. This part is attached to our headrests. So now we can flip it. So it basically looks like this. Here will be the backrest. Please make sure to put these parts in place before you setting up the cushion. So it should be done like so. This will be one. This will be the other one. Okay, so this is how we will be placing the back cushion. So you can see the hole and the place where you should put it, and the assembly should look like so. Once the back cushion is in place, you can easily move it. This is how it will look when it's folding down, and this in the upper position. So we can continue forward with the assembly. If during the assembly you will have to move the cushion, you can move it in any direction for your convenience. But please make sure not to damage the item so it stays this way. The next step, we must process to the backrest of the loft seat. Please make sure that during the assembly that the Velcro will be facing the upper side. So it should be done like so. We can see the holes here. Then we just undo the Velcro. We see the holes here. So we should align the item like so and screw it in. So as for our next step, we are putting the first part of the loft seat inside, and for the first time assembly, kindly note that you should lift up the item that the wheels will go above of this stick. So once it's done and the item is placed, we can just slide it in. Should work easily and perfectly. Then once we have it done like so, we can slightly lift up the front part so the wheels will go to the stopper. Now the assembled item looks like so. As the last step, I could show you how to unfold the loft seat. So it's quite easy and convenient. We take it about the middle, slightly lift it up so the wheels go up on this up of the stopper. We remove the pillows and just unfold it. It slides till it hits the stopper. Once done, we should unfold the back cushion like so and unfold the loft seat itself.